here, coming from Mid-Atlantic in the United States, and I'm here to bring you an easy Alfredo recipe. This Alfredo is going to be better than Olive Garden. No more spending 12, 15 bucks on plates of pasta. You're going to bring fettuccine Alfredo to your family right to your own home kitchen. I've already prepared my spaghetti, so now we're going to do a quick run through of the ingredients. Then we're going to do a close-up of exactly how to cook this Alfredo, so you can bring this better than Olive Garden Alfredo to your kitchen table tomorrow. For our ingredients, we have butter, heavy cream, chicken broth, cubed cream cheese, grated Parmesan, garlic powder, a pinch of salt and pepper with Himalayan salt, 5 cloves of crushed garlic. For our finishing ingredients, we have fresh grated Parmesan and fresh parsley. First, you're going to take a chunk of your butter, drop it into your pan on low to medium heat. Let it melt. Then you're going to add in your garlic. This is the fresh garlic. You're going to saute the garlic until it's lightly browned. The aroma in here smells so good. I love the smell of fresh garlic. Now that our garlic is browned, we're going to add in the rest of the butter. At this point, you want to make sure that your heat is turned to low. I had it at more of a medium-low heat to saute the garlic. The butter is melted, so now we're going to stir in heavy cream, chicken broth, the cubed cream cheese, and we're going to take our whisk and whisk this until the cream cheese is all softened and one with the sauce. Turn the heat up a little bit to about medium to melt the cream cheese quicker. You want to be cautious of leaving your heat up too high for too long when cooking an Alfredo, because your sauce could curdle. So this wouldn't be Alfredo if we didn't have grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to dump the grated Parmesan cheese in this nice creamy sauce. We're going to continue to stir. You can use the whisk still or grab your spoon again. The finishing salt and pepper and garlic powder, which I'm going to dump in now, garlic powder, because I love garlic, and garlic in this Alfredo sauce, just some extra garlic flavor, tastes delightful, delicious. Lastly, we're just gonna finish with a pinch of salt and pepper. And just continue to whisk until it's all creamy and smooth. And voila, you have better than Olive Garden Alfredo. I grabbed my pasta. Now I'm ready to top it with the Alfredo. Then you're going to sprinkle a little of the fresh grated Parmesan cheese and the parsley. And there you have it. Bon appetit. See you next time.